Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can sign up in Groupon. So to create an account in Groupon, first you want to search for Groupon sign up like this. After you search for it, the first option where it says Groupon.com, click on it. It's going to take you to the official sign up page of Groupon. From over here, make sure you're in the section called I am a new customer. This is for login, alright? But we don't have an account to log in, so we have to click over here and first give our full name. So I'm going to give my full name, Vichy Kevin, and my email. I'm going to enter an email, and make sure you enter the email which you have access to, because if you enter an email which you don't have access to, then later in the future it's going to cause a problem. After you enter an email, create a password for yourself. After you create a password for yourself on these two, all right, make sure both of this is turned on, and then click on where it says sign up. Click on sign up, account under this name and this email, and this password is going to be created on Groupon. So wait for some time, it might take a bit of time. As you guys can see, your account should be created like this. So that's how you guys can create yourself a Groupon account. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.